So here are 11 more features that even Tesla owners don't know about their Tesla, and I'm starting right now. So the first hidden feature that not many Tesla owners know about is located right here in your mobile app. And we're talking about the quick controls. Now the quick controls, that's not the hidden feature. By default, Tesla will put 4 quick controls at the top of the app. If you hold down the button though, on one of them, you get more quick controls that's at your disposal. But you can change the 4 to having 5 quick controls up top. So in order to add a 5th one, you're gonna need both of your thumbs. On one thumb, the one that you want to add to the list, you're gonna move that above the 4th quick control. So I'm gonna take, just say, the fart sound. I'm gonna put it over the lock button. Now I wanna add this, so I'm gonna have to take my other thumb, just go down, you're gonna scroll up and scroll over, and whenever you let go, now you can see here on your screen that 5 of them are now added versus 4. Anyone that you set up with your phone key can also see the location of your car. So I have my phone here and I'm about to pull up my live location. If you look right here, you're going to see an icon that comes up. Now it's that little white icon. Anytime that someone is trying to see your live location, that icon will appear on your screen. But what if you don't want everyone to know your location? What if you want to turn it off? This is how you can do that. You want to come over here to the safety menu, and from the safety, you're going to scroll down and you have something here that says allow mobile access. If you want to turn that off, you just type in your Tesla account information, go and hit enter, then it will turn off the mobile access. So what happens when you get to a charger and the charger gets stuck inside of your car? Now let me tell you, I had my car for 2 years already and it never happened, but I do know people that it happens every once in a while that their charger won't come out. So let me tell you what to do. Here inside of your trunk, right behind the charger, you have a cutout and you have a little cord here. All you do is pull that cord and it will release the charger. And from there, it will easily come out and you plug it in and you are on your way to go. And you can set autopilot to start when you pull down the right stop once rather than twice like before. And to choose this setting, you're going to go to controls with the car menu. And from controls, we're going to come down here to autopilot. And here you have autopilot activation. You have single pull or double pull. So double pull is like before where you have to come over here and go 1, 2. And single pull, you just do it one time. And another feature that's not clear that Tesla owners don't know about is how to enable and disable their car alarm. So the first thing you want to do is come over here to your car menu, then go down to safety. And from safety, we're going to scroll down here to where it says security alarm, and mine is already by default enabled. So let's go on and get out, and we're going to move away from the car because the car will lock once you walk away. So as long as my phone key is by the car, it's going to stay unlocked. So it's been about a minute. So now I have Jessie over there in the car and she's going to open the door. The alarm will go off and let's see how to deactivate it. So at this point, the alarm is going off. You can press any button here on your app, or another thing that you can do is take the key card that you have that the Tesla comes with, and we're going to come over here and we are going to press it right here on the door pillar and the car alarm will go off. And actually right now, I believe, yes, I accidentally hit a button on the app, so it did cut off. But like I was saying, I'm not sure if you heard it over the horn here. What we're going to do is take the key card and we will touch it right here on the pillar, and that will also deactivate the alarm. And your car can actually park itself without you being inside of the car. This is great whenever you're faced with those tight situations that you can't open the door and get out. It's even great inside of a garage, like I'm here in my garage right now. In order to activate this, all you're going to do is come over here on the right drive stop where the park, and you're going to press it very quickly. You have to do it fast 2 times, 1, 2. And from there, it's going to ask if you want to go forward or backwards. So let's say backwards. I am going to get out, and you can see here, the car is now moving itself. So no one is inside of the car. It's not a trick. So it is backing up and whoa, stop. And as you can see, the car is inside. And you can also invite other people to have access to your Tesla through the mobile app by coming down here where it says security and drivers. And from here, we're going to click where it says add driver. And from here, you get to create an invitation. After you create your invitation, you can send this out by text message, by email. It's so many, you can even airdrop the access to your Tesla's app. But whoever you send it to, they will be able to access your car the same way that you would. So they will be able to see the location, they will be able to see what's going on with the car, put it in valet mode, the same access that you have, they will have the same access as well. So be careful with that. Your Tesla comes with an external speaker, and this is also great whenever you put your car in Sentry mode, because now you can talk to people from the app, no matter where you are in the world, right to your car. This is great to deter things like vandalism or simply someone leaning or getting too close to your car. So under the security and driver menu here on your phone, all you want to do is go to Sentry mode, make sure it is enabled, then we're going to click on live view cameras. And now what I'm going to do is take my microphone, I'm going to put it over here by the car, and that way you can see what it sounds like. So I'm going to put it down there. And what I'm going to do is, on my app, I am going to click on the view live camera, and here at the bottom, you're going to see it's a microphone button. So I'm going to move away, and I'm going to go away from the car, and I'm going to talk through the app.
Hey, be sure you like and subscribe. Get away from my car!
So it is like a nice galactic sound. It's like a voice changer that they put on there, but this will help deter people from trying to break in your car, messing around your car, leaning on your car, hitting your car, because now they see there's a live person watching the car. And the trip planning feature on your Tesla will make your traveling so much easier. So to use the trip planner, simply go to the location section on your Tesla app. And from there, all you're going to do is tap on navigate. You can add in stops along the way. You can reroute to different places if you want to go like sightseeing, if you're taking a road trip. And the coolest thing is, not only can you do it on your app, you can send that information right from your phone directly to your car. So that way you don't have to transfer information from your phone and put it to your car. Your left scroll wheel on your Tesla steering wheel can have many functions. It can control things like your fan speed, the temperature, your windshield wipers, and even your glove box. And in order to customize this is what you will do. From your car menu, you're going to come down here to display, and right here you have scroll wheel functions. And here it will default to whatever you set it to. Like I said, fan speed, you have defrost, glove box, it's all right here. And you can also have it to ask each time that you press the left scroll wheel. So now I'll come over here to my left scroll wheel. I'm going to hold it down. Now the menu comes up, and all you do is you can scroll of what you want to do. Did you know that you can control your Tesla through your phone? And I'm not talking about going on the Tesla app. You can actually do it through Siri. So I'm going to do it through my Siri. Hey, blow the horn on my Tesla. Yes. And there you go. And there are so many things that you can do using Siri. And I show you all of that in the top video right over there. Check out the other video, all things related to your Tesla and your money. And I will see you in the next video.